Alright, here is exercise 3 for you. You are given a parabola and you are told that this point is minus 5, 14. You are told the y-intercept is 24 and you are told that another point is 1 and 14. X is 1, y is 14. And this is the graph of y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Calculate a, b and c. Alright, so that's example 3. You can pause the DVD and try it and come back to us to check your answer. Alright, welcome back. Welcome back. Here is what you should have done. Here is what you should have done. Right, let's see. So, you are saying that y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And if you use this as your x and that as your y, then you will get 14 is equal to a into minus 5 squared plus b into minus 5 plus c. That will give you 14 is equal to 25a minus 5b plus c. We'll call that equation 1. Then you will start again. You'll say y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And this time you're using, say, this one. That's your x and that's your y. So y is 14 again, and a into 1 squared plus b into 1 plus c. That will give you 14 is equal to a plus b plus c. That gives you equation 2. Now one more. We use the y-intercept. So now we're doing the third one. Y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, and we're using 24 and 0. No, sorry. It is 0 and 24. That's your x, that's your y. So y is 24. There's 24 is equal to a into 0 squared plus b into 0 plus c. And that gives you 0 plus c, so you end up with c is equal to 24. So you've already solved for c. c is 24. And anyway, you didn't have to do all this working. By inspection, you could have right in the beginning said that c is 24 because you can see that the y-intercept is 24. But we just did that for practice, and it makes life easier. Now we know that c is 24, so we can take that one and we're going to continue on this side. We take that 14 is equal to 25a minus 5b plus 24 because we already got that. So 14 is equal to 25. Well, if we simplify this, we can do this. We can say minus 25a plus 5b is equal to 24 minus 14. So you'll have minus 25a plus 5b is equal to 10. So you got an equation in 2 unknowns. Right. And then you're going to take this one. 14 is equal to a plus b plus c. 14 is equal to a plus b plus 24 because c is 24. So if I rewrite this, minus a minus b is equal to 24 minus 14. 24 minus 14 minus A minus B is equal to 10. So A plus B is equal to minus 10. Now from here, we can solve for A. A is equal to minus 10 minus B. Now that we have A, right, we have A, we can put it here. Minus 25A plus 5B is equal to 10. But we know that A is minus 10 minus B plus 5B is equal to 10. So that will give you 250 plus 25B plus 5B is equal to 10, and that will give you 30B is equal to, when you bring that on this side, you'll get minus 240. 250 minus, when it comes on this side, it will become minus 250 plus 10 will give you minus 240. So B is equal to minus 240 over 30. B is equal to negative 8. So you got B. Now we've got C, we've got B. But we know that A plus B plus C is 14. So A plus B plus C is 14. We know that A, or we're solving for A, we don't know what is A. But we know that B is minus 8. And we know C is 24 is equal to 14. So A is equal to 14 plus 8 minus 24. 22. A is equal to minus 2. So we have solved for A. A is minus 2. B is minus 8. And C is 24. So that's how we do this particular example. And although it looked more difficult, but it worked out very nicely. Alright, so that's, we haven't finished with it, we have only started with interpreting parabolas. There are a whole lot of other things that we have to learn. In these first three examples, we have learned how to find the equation in different examples. So there's three different ways to find equations, and we have found it in the three different ways. Alright, so with that we come to the end of this, and in the next DVD we're going to show you parabolas moving up and down, or right or left. So we're going to move parabolas vertically or horizontally. So thank you very much. With that we come to the end of this, and finding equations, and after this we will do moving parabolas vertically and horizontally. We're going to give you a minute to look at that.